All right, students. The things to remember with these problems is that there's a trick to them. They've been hand selected to make sure that they end up with nice answers, no fractions in the answers. Normally, I tell you, show your work, show your work. But on these, I don't want you to show any work. I want you to do it all in your head, remembering that they've been hand selected so that you can do them in your head. Look at number 1. What we want to do is reduce the 9 and the 18, but 9 goes into 18 evenly. So it's how many times does 9 go into 18? That's 2. And 2 times 4, that's 8. Done. Write the problem down, put the answer underneath it. Look at number 2. Now, what was the process? How many times does 9 go into 18? 2. 2 times 4, that's 8. How many times does 7 go into 7? Once. 1 times -2, that's -2. For these problems, you write the problem down, put the answer underneath it. Let's try number 3. What's that process? How many times does 9 go into 18? 2. 2 times 4 is 8. How many times does 7 go into 7? Once. 1 times -2 is -2. How many times does 5 go into 15? 3. 3 times x is 3x. Nice answers because the problems have been hand-picked to make sure we get nice answers. For these 2 problems, we'll distribute, but we'll continue to use our nice new trick. We're going to distribute the 12 times the 3/4 and the 12 times the x over 6. Let's do 12 times 3/4 first, but remember our trick. How many times does 4 go into 12? 3. 3 times 3, that's 9. Now when we multiply here, how many times does 6 go into 12? Is 2. And 2 times x is 2x. Got it. Those are not like terms, so I'm not allowed to combine them. I have to leave them just like that. Here comes number 5. Now what's the process? How many times does 4 go into 12? 3. 3 times 3 is 9. How many times does 6 go into 12? 2. 2 times x is 2x. This one's kind of weird though. When I multiply here, it's just 8 times x. When I multiply here, I'll use my trick. How many times does 2 go into 8? 4. 4 times 3, 12. Nice.